the light is glowing. And observe, both these switches are placed or the knobs are faced upside and the light is glowing. Now, observe, the light is glowing whereas both the switches are facing downwards. So this states that when the switches, both switches are facing on the same directions, the circuit is complete. Now let's see. Can you observe the bulb is not glowing and both switches face opposite sides. So this means that the circuit breaks when both the switches face opposite sides.